Great new day! Welcome to another outside grounding adventure with me and Maya. With our feet in the grass, we practice balancing and stretching, being mindful and intentional with our breathing as well. We took a walk with our feet in the grass. Now back to our balancing and stretching. We sat down and tapped into some chi, being mindful and focused on where our energy flowed. Now let's have some fun. Thank you for my friend. Thank you for my friend. Now Spenny. Thank you for my friend. I love you, friend. I love you, friend. I love you, friend.